Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I honestly don't know what's in here, so we're going to find out together. If it's something that's available, I will absolutely link it right down in the description. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below as well, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, so this was sent by someone named Roman. Thank you very much, Roman. Let's see what we've got. Doesn't feel incredibly heavy. All right, we have another package that's nice and taped down. So we can just make a, there we go. That's exactly what I was looking for. And within this bag, we have a pouch. Okay. What do we have here? What is this? Come on now. Oh boy, I don't know what this is. There's a note. Hang on a sec. Ooh, okay. I am starting to recognize now the look of this. Nice big old burly thumb studs. They actually, I noticed it when no, they don't. I thought they stuck out past the frame. If they do, it's ever so slight. It doesn't look like it. Boy, the contrast between that sort of very dark acid wash blade and then the titanium and the micarta is nice to look at. Hang on. Let's see what we've got. We do have a note here. Okay. Metal Complex. Here is my Wehr, W-E-H-R, Lukas-P for you to review. Feel free to carry it, use it, disassemble it, or sharpen it, or do whatever you need for a full review. Thank you. I appreciate that. I absolutely will. So this is the Lukas-P by Wehr, W-E-H-R. Love this knife, and I believe it could be one of the best EDC knives out there, but for me, the pocket clip is just too shallow. If anyone knows, if anyone out there knows someone who makes custom pocket clips, let me know and maybe put them on the comments. I would appreciate it. Okay, well there you go. And then he does have his Instagram right here, so you could also reach out to him that way. Give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Very cool. Thank you very much. Yeah, okay. So this is not a review, just an unboxing and first impressions. I do like that there is, excuse me, a steel lock bar insert, doubling as the over travel stop. I do not know, and I know by the time you guys see this, it will be, it'll be days later, so I will have figured it out. But for other people's, for the information for other people, and because I guess what I'm saying is I might be lazy and I'm just not editing it in. I don't know who the OEM is for this. I have absolutely no idea. We have S35VN, we have titanium, we have micarta. Since this is the first time I've ever handled it, I have no idea what the price point is. Feels real nice though. Absolutely feels like a production knife. If I had to guess, I'd say probably not US made, and probably somewhere in the $200 to $300 range, though I could be wildly off. That's just my, that's just based on other things that I have handled. That's what I think we're looking at. The action feels great. The detent's nice and click. It's the appropriate detent strength to do the forward thumb flick or the reverse thumb flick. Pocket clip, I think, is a bit shallow. I think it needs to definitely come up a bit. That's kind of a crazy low position for the clip. They have kind of, for me, I can't quite squeeze two fingers in there. There's a nice little area up here you can kind of choke up on. What is this relative to in size? I feel like that's about the same size as the Para 3. It's a little bit bigger. Para 3, bug out. Okay, there we go. Well, like I said, just an unboxing and first impressions, not an actual review, but I will carry and use this guy, gather my thoughts up and share them with you guys here in about 2 to 3, maybe 4 weeks in a full comprehensive review. In the meantime, if there's a link, like I said, I'll provide it down in the description. This looks pretty cool. I think that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Thanks again to the gentleman who sent this in for me to take a look at. please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.